Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nance, and today my room is a mess. And as I attach the clip, as you can see,
अरे झूठ बोल रहा है ये झूठ बोल रहा है
and I have to clean my room, and I just needed some sort of company. काफी कुछ करना है कमरे में, काफी कुछ खराब है, सब कुछ इधर उधर है. As I was outside and I was with my brother and my cousin came to see me after a long time, and my internship is going on, which is unpaid. Yes, so
One eternity later.
Tirthan stuff is a mess right now, as you can see. Everything is scattered here and there. Even the cupboard is not fine. I have to change my mattress, sorry, bedsheet, and I have to clean everything out. It's like very much dirty. So let's do that.
Hours later.
फुल रूम मैंने कर लिया है साफ, सब कुछ है अपनी जगह पे. मैंने बाहर का मौसम देखा और बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे, क्योंकि था ये बारिश का मौसम. उसके बाद मैंने थोड़ा वॉक किया, फिर से मौसम देखा और फिर मैं चली गई सोने.
तो क्या नाचो मैं
So welcome back, guys. It's the next day and I slept a lot. Like I slept by 1:30 or 2 a.m. and then I woken up by 11:30, almost 12. So basically I've taken more than 10 hours of sleep, and here, yeah, then I had something unhealthiest, chole puri, but then I have taken my supplements as well. And look at my greasy hair. It's my day 3. I cannot wash my hair. Like it's on me, like people do that. It's good for them. But in my case, I do not wash my hair during my periods at least for 3 days. So tomorrow I have to wash my hair. I have to do my laundry. Today also I have to get my stuff from my brother who's gonna leave by tomorrow. And right now I do not feel productive at all because my Wi-Fi is not working properly. And the owner said that it will take at least 2 hours. And I guess it's been more than 2 hours and it's still not working. So what I'm gonna do is I've scrolled enough in my phone, and that's the best. That's not good for me. And I guess my eyes are having sty as well, so it's paining so much. Sty is basically गिलहरी, if you know, जिससे आंखें में दाना हो जाता है. So now I should just do it like this, and I'm gonna apply my lip gloss. Perfect. And I'm gonna put on my spectacles like this. It's dirty. I do not have the clothes, so I'm just gonna do it this way. Also, I didn't go to mention from past 3-4 days, so I'm gonna continue that from tomorrow onwards. Plus, as you can see, I am looking a bit bulky and my face is looking forward. I guess I've had enough sugar. Because I didn't go to gym. I'm on my period, so due to that. But it's looking sweet only. Alright. Next, I'm gonna read this book.
Hey man, just want to let you know that sometimes you gotta shut the fuck up. And this current time is just one of those times you gotta shut the
Okay,
fuck
I
up.
have 27 self-help books. So I told my mother that send me some good book and send me one of the book from all the books. And here we are. I'll have to read this. I'm gonna read this. but the adulthood sucks. Not sucks. काफी चीजें होती हैं, काफी चीजें you feel, काफी चीजें see on the internet. Like I was not using Instagram from the past 6 or 7 months, and yesterday I activated my Instagram account. मैं सोच रही थी लाइफ में कम ओवर थिंकिंग नहीं है और कर लेते हैं, तो मैं अपने इंस्टा पे वापस चली गई एंड it feels like I have missed a lot from the past 6 months, जो कि मेरी लाइफ की नोट भी नहीं still. And I was feeling very weird. But then I should not think about it. Nobody should think about it because वो 10% होता है प्लस तुम्हारी लाइफ का वो 0% है, तुम्हें मतलब भी नहीं होना चाहिए whatever people are doing. But in my case, I do not know why I was, you know, looking at those posts and I was wondering that what I was doing at that moment because I was not doing something great in during my college days. So a lot of thoughts were there. We'll make a separate video about this. Like video by video, we'll make content. And this, like in these 45 days, एज यू नो मेरे को उस दिन थे पीरियड्स और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ग्राम्स में थी, तो खुद को डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए मैंने थोड़ी देर बुक रीड किया, नॉवल रीड किया एंड देन आई रियलाइज्ड कि मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा ग्राम्स फील हो रहे हैं, तो आई थॉट ऑफ मेकिंग अ काढ़ा विच माई मदर टोल्ड मी टू मेक. इट्स लाइक आपको पानी गर्म करना होता है एंड यू पुट जिंजर एंड कौन सा डालते अजवैन, you put ajwain in it and then you boil it for like 5 minutes straight and then उसके बाद आप वो पीते हो and it really helps. It helped me a lot. And then उसके बाद I guess मैं सो गई थी, अब मेरे को I do not remember मैंने क्या किया because it's like part में clips हैं. So yeah, this is the clip and ये पहले का जो मैं बना रही थी. Hello guys,
One eternity later.
welcome back. And today, after taking a good nap, and I told you that I'm having style. So I took like 1 or 2 hours of nap. I was not feeling good as my periods are also going on. So my brother is also here. He got my stuff and then he got me something to eat and one chocolate, of course, as I'm on my periods. I like chole wala combo from Haldiram, and he also got me this Ziplocs for that. And I can't tell you. So basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm not just gonna sit and clip. I'm gonna watch some good series and maybe some TV show to make myself a bit better. No, my eyes are terrible at this moment, but let's see what happens. And I'm looking a bit bloated, but it's okay. Let's do that. And पता है मैं इतना ज़्यादा
Hey man, just want to let you know that sometimes you gotta shut the fuck up. And this current time is just one of those times
you
you
know,
gotta shut the fuck
go
up.
with the flow, and I'm not used to this environment, this घर का खाना every day, and मतलब I have घर का खाना, but I was used to mess के खाने से when I was in hostel. तो यहाँ का खाना, यहाँ का रहना, you know, I was in Greater Noida, now I am in Dehradun. So it's like different routine, everything is so different and it is so tough for me to, you know, get over this. But, you know, move in करना, move out करना घर से and कहीं और जाके रहना, you know, it takes a lot of courage and power, and I feel whoever is in this same current situation, I wish all the love and best for you and for the power, because I know this feels so lonely over here, but then you'll get through this and you will be stronger afterwards, and you're doing such a good job, I would say. And we can talk like this, I would say. I mean, I am not some bada influencer, but then I am also making this like a diary sort of, and I don't even know people are gonna watch it, and I am not expecting it all because I have zero, you know, zero. क्या कह सकते हैं? I am feeling like no one is gonna watch this thing, but then here we go. Let's do it. And I feel you'll also get through this. And let's chill and enjoy these days because we are young and we are happy souls. So we can go through anything. And I'm talking like this right now because I also need some motivation. तो कोई बोलने के लिए नहीं है. I am here for myself, for people over there as well whoever is watching this. So yeah. So I'm gonna have my chole chawal combo, and then I'll put this, and then I'll eat some chocolate. I also have cold drink. I know everything is unhealthy over here, but then it's okay. At times it's okay. पर मैं तो इतने टाइम से खा रही हूँ. Please, I don't wanna feel कि मैं unhealthy खा रही हूँ, but ठीक है, खाते हैं. अब आप सोचोगे मैं पीजी का क्यों नहीं खा रही, या मैं 3-4 दिन से भाई के साथ थी, देन मैं अपनी कजन के साथ थी, तो मेरे को ना आदत सी हो गई और अब मेरा मन सा नहीं कर रहा टू गो देयर. मेरे को एक तो पता है मैं इतनी ज्यादा इंट्रोवर्ट हो गई हूँ. पीपल आर हियर एंड आई एम नॉट फीलिंग लाइक टॉकिंग टू देम एज वेल बिकॉज आई एम फीलिंग वेरी मच, आई एम इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट स्पेस एंड आई थिंक it's okay. It's okay if you don't feel like talking to anybody. It's okay if you are feeling like being in your room. It's okay unless or until you are blaming yourself for something else. तब तक के लिए everything's alright, whatever you feel like doing. So I feel जो भी मेरे को भी feel हो रहा है, it's good, it's okay. And I have my friends, but they are also doing some stuff. They're also busy, so you just can't call someone, you know, कभी कभी. You can always call, but कभी कभी होता है ना, you just can't talk to them. So it's okay. इतना 4-5 मिनट का मैंने बोला है कि nobody's gonna listen to that. But then ठीक है, I'm gonna have my food. खाने से पहले आई थिंक आई शुड, ये तो सबके साथ होता है ना कि खा,
2 hours later.
ये तो सबके साथ होता है ना,
1 eternity later.
ये तो सबके साथ होता है ना कि आप इग्नोर द नॉइज. अगर आ भी रही है और पंखी की तो आने ही वाली है ब्रो. मैंने कि लेट इट बी, जब कुछ बर्डन नहीं लेना. पहले मैं देख लेती हूँ, ये सबके साथ होता है ना, पहले देखना पड़ता है कि अभी क्या देखना है, फिर खाना है. आई गेस आई एम गोना वॉच द ट्रेटर्स क्योंकि वो इतना ज्यादा ट्रेंडी हो रहा है. वैसे मैं लाफ्टर शेफ भी देखती थी, मैंने इंजीनियर जॉर्ज, आई वॉच एवरीथिंग, एब्सोल्युटली एनीथिंग और एवरीथिंग आई वॉच. एंड अभी मैं सब कुछ नहीं देख सकती बिकॉज मेरे को और काम ही है, बट देन जो कुछ देख सकती हूँ वो देखूंगी. आई गेस ट्रेटर्स ही आई एम गोना वॉच. So let's see. खाना देख के मैं खुद को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाई. मैंने जल्दी से सेटअप बनाया और मैंने बिना कुछ देखे बस अपना कैमरा रखा. मैं खाती गई बिना कुछ सोचे, बस खाती ही जा रही थी.
Thanks. Love you. Forever.
Guys, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe if you like my content. And yeah, thanks.